Let me show you how to connect your Redmi Buds 6 Play with your Android smartphone. To do this, first we'll need to open the case with our earbuds inside. Make sure that there's both of them inserted just like that. Then you can find the LED lamp in front of the case and the button on the right side. Now when we know that, we can move to our smartphone, activate the Bluetooth, and then click and hold the button on the right until you can see the LED lamp in front of the case flashing rapidly. Now let go of the button, and here in a few moments we should see a pop-up to pair our Redmi Buds 6 Play with our smartphone. In case you don't see it, you can navigate to the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone as well, and then refresh the list of available devices and select your Redmi Buds 6 Play to pair them with your smartphone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.